Sigma Media Lab, Rayagada. Headline 1. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi on Sunday said that the students wanted Prime Minister Narendra Modi to address the issue of NEET and JEE exams in his monthly radio program, but he spoke on toys. His remark came after Prime Minister Modi in his Mann Ki Baat address said that the country has the talent and ability to become a hub for the toy industry and called upon startups and entrepreneurs to team up for toys. Headline 2. Gurgaon, a valor wall depicting the names of gallantry award-winning Central Reserve Police Force officers has been inaugurated at the Forces Training Academy Gurgaon, officials said on Sunday. The bravery wall with the names of 138 officers, including 5 who got the awards posthumously, was inaugurated by CRPF Director General AP Maheshwari on Saturday. Headline 3. New Delhi, acting swiftly after the Galwan Valley clash on June 15 in eastern Ladakh, the Indian Navy sailed out its frontline warship for deployment in the South China Sea, much to the displeasure of the Chinese, who raised objections over the move during the talks between the two sides. The Chinese have been objecting to the presence of Indian Navy ships in the region, where it has significantly expanded its presence since 2009 through artificial islands and military presence. Headline 4. Mumbai, music legend Pandit Jasraj passed away today at the age of 90. His daughter Durga Jasraj stating that the celebrated musician had passed away in the US. He was a recipient of the Padma Shri 1975, Padma Bhushan 1990, and Padma Vibhushan 2000. Prime Minister Narendra Modi expressed his condolences and shared on Twitter, "The unfortunate demise of Pandit Jasraj ji leaves a deep void in the Indian cultural sphere." Headline 5. India's COVID-19 tally zoomed past 35 lakh, just a week after it crossed the 30 lakh mark, with a record single-day spike of 78,761 cases, while recovery surged to 27,13,933 on Sunday, according to the Union Health Ministry data. The total coronavirus cases rose to 35,42,733, while the death toll climbed to 63,498, with 948 people succumbing to the diseases in a span of 24 hours. The data updated at 8 am showed the recovery rate has increased to 76.61%, while the COVID-19 case fatality rate has further declined to 1.79%. Headline 6. Mumbai, the Central Bureau of Investigation called actress Rhea Chakraborty for the third consecutive day on Sunday for questioning in the case of death of her boyfriend and film star Sushant Singh Rajput, a police official said. Her brother Shoaib Chakraborty was also called by the CBI for the fourth day in a row for questioning in the case, the official said. Headline 7. New Delhi, Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Sunday called upon startups and entrepreneurs to team up for toys, as he noted India's minuscule share in the global toy market of over 7 lakh crore rupees, and asserted that the country has talent and ability to become a hub for the industry. In his monthly Mann Ki Baat address, he said it was time for startups to be vocal for local toys, and also asked them to develop computer games in and based on India, citing the nation's rich heritage and traditions that can drive innovations in the toy and gaming industry. Headline 8. Rayagada, Gajpati, a villager of Gajpati district who had been missing for the last 35 years, after going outside the state in his youth age to earn a living, has finally come back home, much to the happiness of his family members and co-villagers. Gajpati Karji of Abra Singh village of Rayagada block Stolomunda Gram Panchayat was brought by efforts of a teacher. Gajpati district collector Anupam Shah talked to Gajpati's brother Sukhu Bhuyan, sister Mangla Bhuyan and other family members. Later, assistant labor officer and Gajapati's nephew Mukunda reached Arunachal Pradesh and brought Gajapati back home on Friday. Headline 9. Puri, BJP national spokesperson on Friday met Union Tourism and Culture Minister Prahalad Patel in New Delhi and sought his intervention in the state government's alleged move to sell the Bagla Dharmshala land in Puri to private persons. The Bagla Dharmshala issue is sub judice in the Orissa High Court. While the union government has provided 20 crore for development of Puri pilgrim site, 3 crore rupees has been spent for construction of Jagannath Tirth Nibas. Headline 10. Jaipur, in a major crackdown on ganja today, the police in Koraput have made a major seize. The Jaipur Sadar police acting on a tip-off seized 937.2 kilograms and arrested 4 persons in the connection today. It is noteworthy that cash amounting to 3,10,000 rupees has been recovered from their possession. The police intercepted a truck carrying the ganja and arrested the 4 smugglers involved in the act. Along with the truck, 7 mobile phones and a bolero was also seized. Headline 11. Raigada, Odisha Excise Department in riot gear stormed a raid on Friday, removing several illegal production of illicit liquor. Raigada Collector Pramod Kumar Behera has directed the District Excise Department to take stern action in this regard for curb the illicit liquor trade in Raigada district. During the corona epidemic, District Excise Superintendent Shri Dondopani Behera with the troops continued their unsurpassed attempt to restrain the smuggling of liquor in the district, while raiding and confiscating indigenous cooking liquor, mahul pooch, sulfur yeast and liquor items in huge quantities. Headline 12. Raigada, on the occasion of National Sports Day, Pushpa Kunika, a sportswoman from Kesingpur block of Raigada district, was honored by the district administration. Today, on the occasion of National Sports Day, Raigada District Collector Shri Pramod Kumar Behera observed this day by tracking COVID rules in a beautiful and unique way.